Hi there, students. Dyslexia, an uncountable noun. It's the name of a disorder. Dyslexic, the adjective. Okay, a person who suffers from dyslexia normally has difficulty reading or sounding out words or spelling words or writing words in the right way. Okay, so dyslexia is also known as word blindness. Have you ever seen it when a child maybe writes the number 3 the wrong way round, a mirror image, or they have problems with the letters D and G? Which side, or B and D, which side does it go? And G, which side does the little bit underneath go? And this is dyslexia. Let's see, it's typified by problems reading quickly, problems spelling words, problems in sounding out words in English. Now, one of the things that I discovered recently that I think is very interesting is dyslexia is higher in English-speaking countries than in any other, and the irregularities of English make it difficult to learn. The problems with spelling and pronunciation. So dyslexia is higher in English because of the massive irregularities about how it sounds and how you spell it. Let's see, this is something that people can overcome, and I when I was a kid, a small kid, I remember having problems with the difficulties. Which way round do I write the number 3? Yeah, how do I write the letter B? And I would write them the wrong way round. But I don't really think that dyslexia is a big problem. They say that dyslexia is probably a mixture of genetic and environmental factors. Okay, so dyslexia is a learning disability characterized by reading and writing difficulties. Dyslexic, where you have difficulty reading and writing. Perhaps if you are dyslexic, then one of the benefits, it means that you pay a lot of attention to detail, to make sure that you get things right. So dyslexia, a learning difficulty that affects the skills of accurate and fluent reading and accurate and fluent spelling. It's also characteristic of problems with phonology, saying sounding out the words, verbal memory and verbal processing as well. Okay, so it means it gives difficulty identifying speech sounds and how they relate to the spelling. Well, English is so complicated that in that there are many that you have to learn, and that the way of doing it is not logical, and therefore I find it interesting that dyslexia is higher in English-speaking countries, or people learning English, than in people learning other languages, and the more logical and ordered and regular that the language is, the lower the rates of dyslexia. Okay, so, well, English it may be partly to blame in that. Formality. Dyslexic Dyslexia. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I might say word blindness as a 5. Use it, but I think dyslexic. I think you need to you use it anywhere. And let's see. This is a copy of the German word dyslexie, which was coined by German ophthalmologist Rudolf Berlin in 1887. Dus from ancient Greek, difficulty, and lexis, diction. So difficulty with your diction, difficulty speaking correctly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dyslexic Dyslexia.